All right, I want to show you the suite that we rented up here in Volcano. This is the road that we came in on down there. Actually, park your vehicle up there. You can see we have the Jeep parked there. To the left of there is the main house, and this is the path that takes you to the suite back here. You can see this is beautiful, very nice. You notice a lot of the lights there illuminate the pathway at night. Solar lights come on at dusk. The part we rented is the bottom part here of the two-story. You can hear the birds chirping. Seems like different flowers bloom almost every day, seems like. Well, if you want to be in the rainforest, this is definitely it. They even have a stand here for you to take your luggage back across the gravel. Take your shoes off here before you go in the house. Nice hammock setup. Love the personal touch that they added. Welcoming us here. Fresh flowers. There's Desilu.
Hi.
Small and very cozy. We love it. Tons of books here. If you're a reader, there are. I'll show you around a little bit here. The kitchen area. More fresh flowers. It's beautiful here. Love the lighting also. Just amazing. There's a mini fridge. And she actually puts breakfast in there. It was like a
couple eggs, bread, jelly, butter, creamer for coffee. Coffee here.
Fresh ground coffee.
Yeah. Salt, pepper, sugar. Got a kettle, coffee maker, toaster, all the dishes you need. There's a hot plate, a rice cooker, a crock pot. I didn't get it out.
Okay.
All the dishes you need just for small meals. There's a cooler. There's a cooler on the porch too.
Yep, if you want to.
There's also a cooler right here.
Okay.
There's beach towels, beach chairs, extra blankets, pillows. Back there.
Mm-hmm. It's very nice. Love the lay. This is very nice. And this is the second room.
It's very peaceful.
It is. More books.
There's 3 cabinets of books.
Yes, she's an avid reader, as you can tell.
All kinds of books.
Yes.
Like fiction, nonfiction.
Mm-hmm.
There's DVDs. Nice collection of DVDs if that's your thing. The fireplace is nice.
Yes. So it gets down in about the mid 60s in the morning. So it gets a little cool. little fireplace to have there. You can crank that up, which is electric, and does a good job of putting off a little heat to add a little heat to
I love that real
warmth to this
stained
room.
glass right there too.
Yeah,
That's
nice.
real stained glass. That door is old.
Yeah, that's really nice.
But the place is well kept.
It is.
Bathroom's nice. It has everything you need.
Over these large windows. We didn't close any of these. We was here for 4 nights. We left
We left everything open.
We did.
This bed is like a futon. It could fit 2 small people or just another person. Like the place, I think they rent it for like 3 adults. So we could probably do 2 kids on this bed. Easy.
Yeah. Okay. All right, let's take a look at the bathroom real quick.
Not to rush, Reg. You're in Hawaii.
I know, right? Great shower pressure.
It's solar hot water.
It is. Show you the card real quick, in case you wanted to contact them and you wanted to stay in Volcano. That's Sally and her husband is Jeffrey. Amazing, amazing couple. We definitely highly recommend this place. The place we rented, I want to show you what it looks like at night. All right, so they have solar lights here to help light up the path. That's the place we're renting there. And these really nice lights that come on at dusk. Yep. All right, so after 4 nights, Desilu, you want to tell them about the water system they have here?
Well, it's rainwater. They collect rainwater, and it's really good. She said it's triple filtered.
Yeah. Some of the best water I've had.
Yeah, it's really sweet.
Yeah, it's really amazing.
Yeah. We drank it the whole time we were here, so
We did.
no worries. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yep, and there's a lot to do around here. The Volcano National Park is literally 5-minute drive, if that.
Yep.
If you come in, you'll want to get groceries before, because there's really no big grocery store or anything around. There are carryouts, like little stores. It's about 40 minutes from Hilo, and I think Kona's about an hour and a half.
Excellent.
That could be wrong, but that's my guesstimate.
Okay, so would you recommend this place? Would you stay again?
Definitely, I don't want to
Definitely.
leave. I want to stay longer.
Yeah, we both love it here.
Yeah, it was great.
Yeah, definitely cooler up here.
I'd love to come back. So
yeah, it's amazing.
yeah,
so we definitely agree.
it's definitely a slower lifestyle, and I like that. So
Yeah, for sure.
yeah, no, hardly any traffic and quiet at night. And if there's no moon out, it's like dark. So there's no like. It's great stargazing too. If you're into that, it's great stargazing.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right, so we're off to
Honolulu. Yep.
To meet some of our family.
Yeah.
And spend some more time.
Yep.
All right, take care.
Bye.
Mahalo.